Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Grace.
Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Oke, jadi hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Topiknya adalah daily activities. Jadi daily activities itu apa yang kita lakukan setiap harinya. Now, can you tell me what do you usually do in the morning?
Saya biasanya bangun jam 6 terus gosok gigi.
Oke, jadi Gila bangun jam 6 ya, terus gosok gigi. Good. Jadi kita akan belajar cara mengungkapkan dengan bahasa Inggris ya. Now, kita akan melihat video dulu buat kalian belajar biar lebih paham ya. Jadi ini videonya.
Daily activities, aktivitas sehari-hari. Wake up, bangun tidur. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. Saya bangun tidur jam 6 pagi. Get up, bangkit dari tempat tidur. For example, she gets up quickly after waking up. Dia langsung bangkit setelah bangun tidur. Take a shower, mandi. For example, he takes a shower before breakfast. Dia mandi sebelum sarapan. Brush my teeth, menggosok gigi. For example, don't forget to brush your teeth. Jangan lupa menggosok gigimu. Get dressed, berpakaian. For example, I get dressed for school. Saya berpakaian untuk sekolah. Have breakfast, sarapan. For example, we have breakfast at 7 a.m. Kami sarapan pukul 7 pagi. Go to school or work, pergi ke sekolah atau kerja. For example, my brother goes to work by motorcycle. Saudara saya pergi kerja naik motor. Study, belajar. For example, students study English at school. Siswa belajar bahasa Inggris di sekolah. Have lunch, makan siang. For example, I usually have lunch at 12. Saya biasanya makan siang jam 12. Do homework, mengerjakan PR. For example, I do my homework after school. Saya mengerjakan PR setelah sekolah. Play, bermain. For example, they play football every evening. Mereka bermain bola setiap sore. Have dinner, makan malam. For example, we have dinner at 7 p.m. Kami makan malam jam 7 malam. Watch TV, menonton televisi. For example, my family watches TV after dinner. Keluarga saya menonton TV setelah makan malam. Take a rest, istirahat. For example, I take a rest when I'm tired. Saya istirahat saat lelah. Go to bed, tidur malam. For example, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Saya tidur malam jam 10. Nah, itulah tadi beberapa ungkapan yang dapat kita gunakan untuk menjelaskan aktivitas keseharian kita. Jika teman-teman ada pertanyaan atau tema lain yang ingin dibahas, silahkan tulis di kolom komentar ya. Terima kasih.
Nah, jadi ini tadi adalah ungkapan gimana caranya kita ngomong ya, daily activities kita tuh dengan bahasa Inggris. Paham semuanya?
Amin.
Jadi setelah kalian lihat video tadi, jadi apa yang kalian pelajari?
Saya jadi mengerti cara mengungkapkan dengan bahasa Inggris, Miss.
Jadi kamu paham ya tadi apa yang ada di video?
Ya,
Miss.
Oke, kalian juga bangun pagi nggak?
Ya,
Jam berapa tuh biasanya?
6.
Terus sekarang lihat di sini ya. Di sini tuh ada gambar sama kalimat. Jadi kalian nanti lihat ini dulu. Setelah itu kalian ikutin apa kata saya ya.
Ya, Miss.
Kalian mengulang apa yang saya katakan. I wake up at 5:13.
I wake up at 5:15.
I take a shower and have breakfast.
I take a shower
and
and breakfast.
I go to school at 7.
I go to school at 7.
I do my homework and play football.
I do my homework and play football.
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Okay. Now students, do you know what wake up means?
Bangun tidur.
Yes, good. Benar sekali. Kalau brush my teeth artinya apa?
Sikat gigi
Oke,
bis.
pintar. Now, look at this dialogue. Hello, my name is Budi. I wake up at 5:30. I take a shower and have breakfast. I go to school at 7. After school, I do my homework and play football with my friends. I go to bed at 9 p.m. So, what time do you wake up? What word is correct?
8.
Okay, students. We use simple present tense for daily activities. For example, I wake up, I go to school. If we use he or she, we add s. Understand?
Understand?
Okay. He wakes up and she goes to school. Is that clear?
3.
Okay, good. Now students, please read this text. Now listen to me. Hello, my name is Budi. I wake up at 5:30. I take a shower and have breakfast. I go to school at 7. After school, I do my homework and play football with my friends. I go to bed at 9 p.m. Okay, and do you understand?
Understand?
Understand.
Okay. Now answer the question. Wait. Now answer the question. What time does Budi wake up?
5:30.
What?
He wake up at 5:30.
Okay, yes, he wakes up at 5:30. What does he do in the afternoon?
He play football.
Okay, good. He plays football. Now, students, match the picture with the correct sentence. Work together, right? Okay, now students, look at the timetable. Kayak gini, jadi kalian nanti nulis kalimat ya menggunakan bahasa Inggris menurut gambarnya ini, paham?
Paham.
Oke. Oke, good. Dari jawaban kalian tadi masih ada yang salah, masih ada yang benar ya.
Ya, Miss.
Okay, but remember, we say I go to school, not I goes. Please repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school.
Okay. Now, students, please write 5 sentences about your daily activities. I will give you some time. Okay, we want to present. Please come forward.
Hello, my name is Choiri. I wake up 6. I take shower and have breakfast. I go to school at 7.
Okay, good job, Koiri. Okay, students, today we learned about daily activities. What did you learn today?
Saya belajar mengungkapkan keseharian menggunakan bahasa Inggris, Miss.
Okay, very good.
Good.
Thank you for your attention. See you next meeting. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.